key. This one's gonna take even less time than the other one. Today's episode of furniture messiah. I fucked that up. It's a metal flower. That's what it is. Very abstract. I made it for my mom's birthday. I really should ask her if she just wants me to get her something. But then again, on her birthday, I made Chilean sea bass. They were very fun, so I went to the fish store and purchased a lot of fucking fillets, y'all. I was like, this is a large dinner party of 5. Nah. Everybody had like a fillet. Almost. They were fucking huge. Super thick. Like 2 inches. It's an investment. It's cheaper than going out, honestly. And way fancier. If you got it going out, it would probably be either 2 or 3 times as much as I paid at the fish store. They got it in the morning. It was real fresh. It was good. I don't know why I'm talking about fish right now. I should be talking about this flower. So, it is a bolt. A big one. I don't know where it came from. I sometimes I'll buy containers at yard sales for like screws and nuts and bolts. That way, well, they come with some, and then I have a place to put mine, and that came in there. So I thought it would make a good center of a flower. And then the chain is from, some of it's from a broken chain off a bike, and the other one's like some random chain I got from my dad. They have a bunch of motors and stuff that have chain break all the time, so they always have pieces of chain lying around, and I pick it up like I'm like a homeless person going through the trash. But what I look for is metal. And I think that's like a form of gold. Because I have a house with a welder, so obviously I can do something with it. I mean, but still, all this stuff was supposed to be thrown away, technically. Unless you recycle, which I like to recycle. Some metal is worth more than others. Like gold and silver. This concept is common. Anyway, back to this flower. I bet I'm kind of more in like, I didn't make them so uniform. I wanted it to be like a tulip, I guess. Maybe. Or like a combo. It's like I said, abstract. I use chain for the stem. A lot of the time, I think rebar would look nice. It's got like a cool pattern. I haven't tried it yet, but I think I'm gonna try that for like the stem. And then a lot of the time I like to use cold rolled. It's oh god, what are they called? Bar? No, not really, not bar. Rods? Probably rods. Maybe? I don't know. It's just a solid piece of metal. Looks like rebar. But different. It's cold rolled. Oh, another nice trip through my backyard. See, this is... I was making ribs. I also made a metal spider while I was making these ribs. So, first half on the metal spider. This is the second half, where I do the uncovering and put them back on. Oh my god. What the fuck? I'm just looking at my hands right now. My bad. Sometimes I hyper-focus on some random shit. Oh my god. That trellis in the back, we put a... oh shit, I can't remember. Clematis. Boom. Clematis the vine. One of the purple ones. put it in the back there. It blooms like a ton. Holy crap. It loves that spot. Loves that light right there. Them bars of sun. It loves that shit. I like vines. I'm a vine kind of person. I like to make shit that it climbs on, you know. That's like the tits for me. Anyway, back to the flower. So, this is the best way to make a stem I think I've found so far. Just take the ground and then as you go, boop, 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 boop. Yes, yes. Chickens running in the background. Cat. Chickens. Oh. The baby? Is that what I'm about? No, not then. Maybe? I'm not sure. I don't think so. They're much bigger now. Chickens grow quick. They're still very cute. Oh my god. I love them that. I mean, if you really think about it, they're midget dinosaurs. I just like, they're midgets. I'm breaking all the rules, people. Anyway, chicken midgets. But yeah, they look like mini versions of themselves because it's fully feathered, you know? I don't know. And their feathers are so nice and soft. I love a chicken. I use sheet metal for the what are they called? Leaves. Yes. Leaves. I just cut it with fucking metal shears. Yes, tin snips. Maybe. They call them something different now. There's like a bunch of different shit you can buy. But a tin snip is the original. There's always planes coming through my videos, huh? I am near an airport. Dropping shit. Butterfingers. Anyway. Actually, you know what? That piece of metal, I think, is from... Where did I take that off of? It's a file cabinet? Was it a file cabinet? Actually, I think it was a file cabinet. Damn, I was supposed to make a wind spinner. That kind of got lost in the sauce. I've got a lot of plans, people. Am I tackling most of them? No. Instead, I'm making metal flowers. But it was for my mom's birthday, so you know, it's not for no reason, right? Yeah. Nah. I've made other ones that are more like a daisy kind of shape. I have the torch now, which I've used to make a privacy screen. That's a video coming to you soon. Maybe. I don't know. It's gonna be real long. Really fucking long. Holy shit. Not excited for that voiceover. Anyway, I should be watching this. A lot of the time I like to pound the metal more, but I don't have an anvil. I haven't made it yet because I'm lazy. My mower broke too, you guys. Holy crap. My front yard. I'm probably gonna have to get a new mower. I was gonna take the engine apart, but mostly they say just to say fuck it. I should just take it to somebody. It probably cost a lot less, honestly. That's what my mom told me to do. But she recommended somebody that's like a 50-minute drive. I'm like, defeats purpose. I guess not completely, but mostly. A new one's like triple what she's saying she paid to get hers fixed. Isn't that wild? Kind of weird. I was just thinking about that fish. One thing I do want to rant about. Trash enclosures. What the fuck? Why? Can somebody... I mean, aesthetically is... I mean, they don't trap the smell. I mean, it's pretty much all just for looks. Well, I thought it was to keep people out of the trash. But now, there's this new thing where if you put a roof on it, it has to be fire rated. Which means it's a fucking house, people. It's a fucking house. Can you believe it? They're not even hiding anymore. Shamelessly saying a trash enclosure is a house. It must be fire rated. Somebody will be there and it will burn to death. So we gotta fire rate the bitch. You know? So in the event of a trash fire, and there's people living in the trash enclosure, perfect building material for a hot place. It's real cool in a CMU building. My garage is made of CMU. That's what most trash enclosures here. I'm in California. California. We use a CMU trash enclosure mostly. CMU is great for California. Oh, I love the sound of a welder. Sorry, got distracted there. I'm also kind of distracted. So, I just thought I'd give you that little tidbit of what kind of retarded shit's happening. I mean, unless you want to live in a trash enclosure, the housing shortage, you know, I guess that's what's happening. They're like, you know, we gotta find other ways to make houses. Trash enclosures, that's what they'll be. They'll be homes. Take all the trash cans out. I'm like, why not just make a cooler trash can? Because I'm here working with metal. So I'm like, make a cooler fucking metal trash can. You know, one that looks like Darth Vader. Dun, 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 dun. And then you know to stay away because it smells like shit. Dun, dun. And people go to it, take pictures. Right? Then it'd be kind of cooler. You just find a cool trash can and you want to take pictures with it. Maybe not. It's just I guess this is how they are addressing the housing shortage, though. You know. Roundaboutly. They're just not going to tell anybody that's what it's for. When shit hits the fan, they'll be like, everyone's homeless. And they're like, okay. Trash enclosure. The price will be low. It's a 1-bedroom. There's a drain, though, so you can just pee on the floor or something. Sorry. This sounds apocalyptic, people. But instead, it's just to make things more expensive for people to build. Because every single place that you construct new must have a trash enclosure. Well, commercial. So, every place you construct commercial business you must build a house to go along with it that will house your trash and whoever the fuck else wants to live in there. Sorry. I broke it. Sometimes tack welding requires more than one tack. It is crazy how strong you can make something just by welding. Just one. So crazy. It will hold so much weight. I got one of those low riding bed frames, and it came with a headboard that kind of like arched back, all wood, with a metal frame. So I just cut that shit and bent it so that it was like a tabletop instead of a headboard. That way I could put books and notebooks. Oh, anyway, the metal flower is finished. I think I want to make a better one, not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna make a copper flower. I found this copper pipe, y'all. I'm really excited. Copper is like gold, and so you'll see. I'll make it. Oh, that's a torque tamer for the bass. They make a great bass because they're heavy, and so the balance is better. I don't think I explained any of that. You'd know. Damn, I gotta go back in time. I was too busy talking about trash enclosures. Sorry. That's what happens when you get distracted like me, people. I'm distractible. But it kind of looks cool, right? Yeah, it's a flower, right? You can tell. Can you tell? If you can't, tell me where I fucked up. Tell me how to make it better. Or else save it. I don't want to know. If it's just to be an asshole, I don't care. Anyway, that's it. Doses.